In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll in BambooHR. We'll walk through the entire run from sign in to reports so you can process pay accurately and on time. Start by signing in to your company's BambooHR account using credentials that have payroll permissions. Only users with the proper access can run payroll, so if you don't see the payroll area, contact your account admin. Open the payroll tab in the left sidebar. If your system is integrated with Trax Payroll, you'll open Payroll and then Trax Payroll. On this page, you'll see your pay schedule, the current pay period, the payroll status, and the list of employees included in the run. Choose the correct pay cycle for this run, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly, and click into the specific pay period you want to process. Before doing any calculations, review each employee's information, confirm hours worked, approved PTO, overtime, bonuses or commissions, salary changes, new hires or terminations, and any recent benefits updates. BambooHR syncs time tracking, approved time off, salary records, and tax data automatically, but this is the moment to make corrections if anything looks off. Enter hours and additional earnings. For hourly employees, enter regular hours, overtime, and any shift differentials. For all employees, you can add bonuses, commissions, reimbursements, or stipends. Click Edit next to the employee, update the values, and save. Next, review deductions to ensure accuracy. Check taxes, benefits, retirement contributions, garnishments, and insurance premiums. BambooHR calculates these based on each employee's profile, but verifying prevents surprises on payday. Run a payroll preview. The preview shows gross pay, withholding taxes, employer taxes, benefit deductions, net pay, and the total payroll cost. Compare totals to your expectations and scan for unusual variances before moving on. If everything looks correct, approve the payroll and then submit it. Submitting sends the run for processing and starts the funding timeline for direct deposits, so be mindful of your normal deadlines and any bank holidays. Once submitted, BambooHR processes the run. It calculates taxes, generates paychecks, sends direct deposits, files taxes if that service is included in your plan, and updates pay history on employee profiles. After processing, you can download reports such as the payroll summary, payroll register, tax liability report, deduction report, and check register by going to payroll and then reports. Save these for your records or share them with finance. Finally, employees will automatically receive payday notifications and access to their pay stubs through BambooHR or email depending on your organization settings. That's the full workflow for running payroll in BambooHR.